हे गाइस, गुड आफ्टरनून, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आई होप सब ठीक ठाक होंगे, अच्छे होंगे। तो हमारे चैनल परम ब्लॉगर में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। तो जैसे कि आपको पता है, इधर सेफ्टी रिलेटेड वीडियो जो हम लोग डालते रहते हैं और कुछ दुबई जॉब्स के रिलेटेड, जहाँ काफ़ी तरह के वीडियोज आप चैनल में देख सकते हैं, ब्लॉग्स भी रहते हैं। तो सेफ्टी इंजीनियर इट्स अरुण हेयर विद अस। तो जैसे कि पहले भी इनके साथ मैं एक वीडियो डाला था, उसमें हमने डेली रूटीन्स या फिर सैलरी के रिलेटेड सेफ्टी का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या रहता है उसके बारे में हमने बात किया था। तो आज हम लोग बात करेंगे, दो तीन टॉपिक्स हैं दोस्तों। तो एक तो सेफ्टी इंजीनियर ऑफिसर बनने के लिए क्या क्या कोर्स रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या क्या चाहिए, उसके बाद में कौन कौन सा कंपनी में कौन कौन सा टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री में वो लोग जॉब कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद में ट्रेनिंग्स का बात करेंगे हम लोग, इंटरनल ट्रेनिंग अपना HSC डिपार्टमेंट के लिए। उसके बाद में जो वर्कशॉप स्टाफ के लिए कौन कौन सा ट्रेनिंग हमको प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए, इंटरनल ट्रेनिंग और थर्ड पार्टी ट्रेनिंग। ठीक है दोस्तों, इस चीज़ का बात करेंगे। और चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए, लाइक शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए वीडियो, ताकि जो दूसरे लोगों का भी हेल्प हो सके और आपको भी इजीली हमारा वीडियो मिल जाए। नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम लोग कोई भी डालेंगे आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा। आपने जस्ट सब्सक्राइब करना है, बेल आइकन दबाना, बिल्कुल फ्री है दोस्तों, कोई भी चार्ज नहीं है इसका। ओके दोस्तों, अभी वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। ओके मिस्टर अरुण, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल।
आई एम Sapan.
And okay friends, first question I am gonna ask about courses. Okay, Mr. Arun, just to tell our viewers which type of courses they required if they want to join a safety department, and what are the starting courses and what are the further courses for experienced people.
Yeah.
Just tell our viewers.
Yeah, I will let you know.
Okay.
Yeah. For a safety officer job, you must procure in general. So many companies are asking nebosh IGC, nebosh International General Certificate, Occupational Health and Safety.
Please try speak loudly so people can listen.
Yeah, sure, I will. Yeah, in generally, most of the companies are looking for nebosh IGC, nebosh International General Certification in occupational health and safety. However, in market there are a lot of regulatory bodies are there. nebosh, IOSH, WOSH. For WOSH is USA regulatory. nebosh is a UK regulatory. IOSH is also a UK regulatory. And then there are regulatory bodies, a lot of regulatory bodies. They are giving a certification for a safety officer in construction field and various field like oil and gas and construction. They are giving a certification for a safety officers. In general, all companies are looking for nebosh IGC. That is a level 3 certification. There is a basic certification. Guys, you can go through the nebosh IGC.
And this is for fresher people, like that we can say.
Correct.
And if anybody having already nebosh, so what are the further steps he can take in his career?
Yeah. For example, a guy working in a safety officer on a company, better that guy approach some other regulatory bodies like WOSH, IOSH. They have to finish that courses. It will helpful for him to compliance with another companies, because some other company working for a America or working for a Canada, they're looking a certification for a that standard OSHA. OSHA is for a USA standard, and Canadian registration safety professional for Canadian government. Okay. Better as a safety officer we can cover all the certification. Is a better option for the guy to move another job.
Okay guys, as Mr. Arun told you, like for starting stage people can get IOSH, nebosh, and if they already having a data certification, after getting the jobs they can go for more certification, like many types of certification is there, OSHA, IOSH. After that, if nobody having that, they can also do that, and they can also approach idip. that is very much necessary nowadays, and they can easily get jobs for senior safety advisor and safety manager if they having more experience. Or regarding that, they can get the qualification. And about degrees, you already know, guys. If you instead of a bachelor of arts like that, if you having an engineering degree like BTech in mechanical engineering, BE in electrical engineering, like that, if having it will be more good instead of bachelor of arts, bachelor of commerce, like that. So that type of people also can get jobs in a safety department if they having BCom, BA. But interviewer first preference will be for guys having a engineering field. For arts, they will not choose them. Only at last they will consider them, like that. Okay, now I will ask Mr. Arun, safety officer, the safety engineer, in which type of industries they can get jobs if they having a study like nebosh, IGC. So which type of industry they can get jobs?
In oil and gas and industries, they are looking for engineers and other bachelors in fire, health and safety.
Okay.
The companies are looking. Actually, engineers are preferred for oil and gas industries. And normal industries, they're looking for a fire and safety guy from BSc. Other than guys, there are some other industries they are looking. Even those guys who completed 12th standard, they are going to do the nebosh idip or nebosh IGC. They are also eligible. That depends upon the company who looking for the guys.
Okay, guys, as Mr. Arun told you, like nebosh IGC for every type of industries, but which is your main degree? What is your basic degree? Like if you having electrical engineering, you can get jobs in a electrical related company. If you having a degree in a mechanical engineering, you can get jobs in a mechanical related companies. If you having a diploma or degree in a food related, then you can get jobs in a food related companies. So like accordingly you can get jobs, but you can you must have a nebosh IGC. That you have to check it accordingly. And third thing, I want to ask Mr. Arun about the trainings. What type of trainings we should give to our workshop employees, our staff employees, and our internal HSC department? So please tell Mr.
Arun. Before that, I will just let you know some points.
Okay.
As discussed with Paramendra Singh, he told there is a vacancy for an electrical guy for safety or mechanical guy for safety. Actually, for example, a company, electrical oriented company, they will look for a guy from electrical engineer. Okay, because in this area only electrical related hazards are lot. Okay, as an electrical engineer, he know well about hazards. What are the hazards? What is the voltage rating? Okay, he has well knowledge on electrical side. That's why the electrical company will recruit electrical engineer as a safety officer. This is a basic thing. In my experience I had. The same for mechanical related field, they looking for a mechanical engineer, or oil and gas, they were looking for a chemical engineer. Because in oil and gas, the chemical related job is more, right?
Correct.
In small industries or construction field, they are looking for a civil guy. Because the civil guy who have knowledge about engineering in civil. And that's why that depends upon the company who recruit the safety officer. This depends upon the company things. Yeah, I want to answer your question.
Yeah, now tell our viewers about trainings. What type of trainings a safety engineer must give to their workshop employees, their staff people, and for their internal HSC departments?
Correct. Basic electrical safety course is needed, and then work at height, scaffolding, working platform, and then general safety in hygiene, how to will protect from virus like a COVID. Okay, we have to give some awareness on hygiene related courses in person who working in the office or yard. The employees who working in the yards or plant, they have to learn about how work attire training, scaffolding, working platform, scaffolding erection, and then they have to know about the electrical safety. And then there are courses, are lot of courses, but as a employee they have to comply all the courses to be done in the as per the regulatory authority. Yeah.
Okay, friends, as Mr. Arun told you, so it's a depend on the industry also which type of trainings they require. Like basic trainings are only this one, as Mr. Arun told, like electrical safety related, work at height related, scaffolding, how to erect scaffolding and how to dismantle scaffolding, and scaffolding inspector, how to work fire watcher trainings. Like these trainings required at almost in every workshop, and that type of trainings we can get from from third parties also, and also we can also give by ourselves, like a safety engineer, a safety officer can also give that type of trainings to all workshop staff. And for staff people who are all in working in office only, so what they can get basic trainings like a fire watcher, fire wardens training, how to extinguish fire, and first aid training, like that trainings staff people can get. And about third party training also, as I told you, we can also get this type of training from third party, because some clients require third party trainings. And for our internal purpose we can give internal trainings, like we can make a PPT. Suppose we have to give a hot work training, we can make PPT regarding a hot work, how a fire can start, how we can extinguish that, what are the precautions we have to do during that. So that's all about training bro. And if anything else you want to know, you can write in comment boxes, so we will answer your questions. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. I already gave my Insta and Facebook social media link in description. You can follow and you can ask us questions there. And okay, Mr. Arun, if you anything if you want to share here with the viewers, you can share.
Yeah. In the summary, I want to convey some message. In safety, there are a lot of departments there. Okay, that depends upon the industries. Okay, in normal industries, the HSE will be handling all of the standards which we following inside the office or outside the yard. Okay, the safety things which we follow, and then we compliance with the regulatory, like a competent person who will do the hard work activity or cold work activity, or some other operator, scissor lift operator, forklift operator, or gantry crane operator, or crane operator. The person who are involving this activity, that person has to comply with the competent with the local authority or international authority. The company will compliance with the regulatories, that person who involving the job. Okay, this is the thing we are following here. However, in as a safety, we are looking some guys operating scissor lift without certifications. That is a unethical thing. That time we will inform the company or inform the project manager. Some other persons is operating the scissor lift or crane without permission or without license. That is illegal. That is a punishable offense. That's practically we are facing in the site. That's already reported and already complained in the company and local authorities. This is actually happened in the sites. And the remaining things I want to tell about safety courses. In safety departments, there are a lot of departments there: fire and life safety, and then industrial hygiene, and then food safety, and then electrical safety compliance officer. There are a lot of safety officer departments there in the safety field, but I have to think about what I can do in future. As a safety, I will comply with for a fire and life safety officer, or industrial hygienist, or food safety officer, or a chemical safety officer. There are a lot of departments in safety, but you have to choose which one you can go ahead for further. This is the thing I want to discuss with you guys. I hope you can get some points from my words. Let's see next video. Thank you for watching.
Okay friends, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please like, share also. Thank you guys. See you. Take care. Bye bye.